LinkedIn's persona verification, launched in 2024, is an AI-powered feature designed to confirm user identities on the platform. The process requires two main steps: uploading a government-issued ID and taking a live selfie for biometric matching. However, many users experience persistent issues, including failed ID uploads where files won't process despite meeting requirements, and selfie verification errors where the AI incorrectly rejects valid attempts. These problems stem from several factors: AI algorithm limitations that struggle with diverse lighting or facial features, network instability during uploads, and device compatibility issues with older operating systems. As of December 2025, these verification problems continue to affect users worldwide, with failure rates hovering at 15 to 20% in many regions. If you encounter these issues, try clearing your browser cache, ensure good lighting for selfies, and contact LinkedIn support for manual review options. One frequent issue is the ID upload not working error. Users report that their files fail to process even when meeting requirements, like JPEG format under 10 megabytes. This is often due to server overload or glitches in LinkedIn's system. In October 2024, a major system-wide glitch affected thousands, leading LinkedIn to acknowledge a temporary issue. Selfie verification in LinkedIn's persona system also faces significant challenges. Users frequently encounter failures in liveness detection, where the AI incorrectly identifies valid photos as invalid or experiences timeouts during the upload process. The primary issues stem from several factors. Poor lighting conditions can confuse the algorithms, making it difficult for the system to properly analyze facial features. Device incompatibilities, such as older phone models or outdated software, often prevent successful verification. Additionally, diverse skin tones and facial features can sometimes confuse the AI algorithms. LinkedIn attempted to address these issues in November 2024 with App Update 4.1.123, which improved lighting and angle detection capabilities. However, despite these updates, verification errors continue to persist for many users. Persona verification on LinkedIn uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to authenticate user identities without human intervention. This process helps ensure the platform's security by verifying that users are who they claim to be. The first step is ID upload. Users scan or upload a photo of a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. The AI system then analyzes the document for authenticity using optical character recognition, or OCR, to extract text and verify security features like holograms. The second step is selfie matching. Users take a live selfie, and the AI compares facial features such as eyes, nose, and mouth against the photo on the ID. This biometric matching uses machine learning algorithms to ensure the person in the selfie matches the ID holder. Throughout the process, LinkedIn prioritizes user privacy. Data is encrypted end-to-end and stored temporarily only for verification, complying with regulations like GDPR. While effective, issues can occur due to network instability, device incompatibilities, or AI false negatives, where the system incorrectly rejects valid matches, often due to poor lighting or diverse features. If your ID upload fails, first ensure your ID photo is in the supported JPEG format. LinkedIn requires this format for proper processing. Next, verify that your file size is under 10 megabytes. Larger files may fail to upload due to processing limitations. Try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This can resolve upload issues caused by corrupted data or stored conflicts. Attempt the upload in incognito or private browsing mode. This bypasses extensions or cached data that might interfere with the process. Switch to a different device if possible. Device-specific issues like camera problems or app incompatibilities can cause failures. Finally, try using the LinkedIn mobile app if you were using the website, or the website if you were using the app. Different platforms may have varying success rates. For selfie verification issues, start with good lighting and a clear background. The AI needs to clearly see your facial features, so avoid dim or uneven lighting and cluttered surroundings that might interfere with recognition. Remove any accessories that might obstruct your facial features. Glasses, hats, scarves, or other items can hide key points like eyes or mouth, causing the AI to fail liveness detection or matching. When prompted, follow the instructions like smiling or blinking. This liveness detection helps the AI confirm you're not using a static photo, preventing false negatives in verification. If issues persist, check your camera permissions. The app needs access to your camera to capture the selfie. Denied permissions can cause immediate failures. Make sure your LinkedIn app is up to date. Recent updates address selfie verification errors, improving algorithm accuracy for better success rates. If problems continue, contact LinkedIn support. They offer manual review options for failed verifications and can assist with persistent technical issues. LinkedIn has released several updates to address these issues. The December 2025 update, app version 4.1.456, introduced a manual review fallback for failed verifications, allowing you to submit additional documents. While official stats show an 85% success rate, user-reported failures remain around 15 to 20%. Keep an eye on LinkedIn's Help Center for troubleshooting guides. LinkedIn plans to enhance persona with multi-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of security beyond just ID and selfie. They also aim for cross-platform portability, making verification work seamlessly across devices and apps. Experts predict that LinkedIn will achieve a 50% reduction in verification errors through improved AI algorithms. This means better training data and more accurate facial recognition and ID processing. AI-driven authentication is becoming more common across social platforms and services. However, privacy concerns about data storage and AI bias may lead to opt-out options for users. Blockchain-based alternatives could provide decentralized verification without relying on centralized systems. For now, stay updated with LinkedIn's official announcements to learn about the latest fixes and improvements to persona verification.